My name is Nancy Triplett. I live in St. Paul. I first heard about Storm Group from an online chat.
I found Storm Group Roofing on Angie's List.
I actually found Storm Group through Angie's List.
And I am a very happy person.
Did a fantastic job.
We are very pleased with the results.
Awesome, absolutely amazing.
I just couldn't be happier with it.
Have been absolutely thrilled with the whole process.
The job was done very nicely.
It was a multiple day job, and it was very comforting to have Dimitri stopping back by regularly and checking on things.
Jim and Adam were amazing at contacting us and letting us know what was going on. So.
And Alex came out to talk to me about the process with the contracts, and then later on he also helped interface with my insurance company. There were some questions from them.
We felt that they were timely in communication. They were really kind. They were great working with our dog.
No more leaks, which is great. That was my biggest problem.
Extremely happy. One day, I couldn't believe it was done in one day.
From start to finish, it was less than a week.
I would definitely recommend Storm Group.
I would highly recommend Storm Group.
I highly recommend them to anybody else considering working on your house.
Thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think about the topic today in comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.